As we speak, what's happening in Turkey now? Can we say that the coup has been effectively quashed?
The Turkish government has just announced that the crisis seems to be over now. The Prime Minister of Turkey, Binali Yildirim, just finished with his press conference a few minutes ago. Wala pang isang oras. And I'm waiting for our translator to translate it into English so that we could transmit it to Manila. Last night, between 10:30 and 4 a.m., it was a bit touch and go. We didn't know all that's what that was happening. We were receiving many reports, but our priority was to make sure that our kababayans were safe. So the bottom line, the coup is over. There are mopping up operations, and the Philippine government, just like to read from our official line, is closely monitoring the developments regarding the coup attempt. And even as the Turkish government, Voltaire, has announced the end of the crisis, we urge all Filipinos to remain on alert and vigilant at all times. Right now, meron po kaming advisory for them to stay indoors and keep in touch. And we extend deepest condolences to the government and people of Turkey for the loss of many lives.
Para mapanatag yung loob ng mga pamilya ng mga OFWs dito sa Pilipinas, maaari ba natin categorically masabi na ngayon na walang nasaktan, walang nasawi sa naganap na coup na mga OFWs?
Yeah, wala po. Kasi since last night, we have been in touch with the Filipino barangay leaders, including students. We have several students also in Turkey. And they've all checked in one by one, and none of them were hurt. Either in Istanbul or in Ankara or in other places. We got reports that some Filipinos were stranded in Istanbul, but they have been taken care of by Turkish Airlines, and my colleagues have been assisting them. So, yun ang slight na inconvenience sa kanila na stranded lang sila sandali, but they have rebooked their flights. And I'd like to take advantage of this Voltaire to announce that the embassy has a hotline for your listeners. In case something else happens, knock on wood, let me dictate it. 90-537-577-2344. Let me repeat, 90-537-577-2344. And most Filipinos in Turkey are connected to us via Facebook, social media. Meron po kaming Facebook page, Philippine Ler Buyukel Chili, which is Philippine Embassy in Turkey, in Turkish.